Iskender, and today I'm going to be trying Sundanese food. And I picked a spot to try Sundanese food, and then this place, it's just so different and the atmosphere is so nice. And then also what's unique is Sundanese food, you sit down around the table, which is a little bit different versus having a chair to sit down. And then also here there's a little like pond with fish outside, and then also you feel the nice weather outside, the wind blowing, so it's nice. Okay, let's eat. So the first dish I'm going to try is nasi liwet, and I've never tried this before, so I'm just going to open it. Wow, and it smells so good. Very fragrant. And it looks like there's little fish on here. Wow, oh my gosh. There's a bunch of them, guys. Whoa. And then the little fish, they look like they are maybe fried. It looks a little bit crispy, the texture. I'm so excited to try this. So Indonesian food, you must eat everything together. So I'm just gonna take everything. It looks so appetizing. So here's a little bit of omchom, and it's very spicy. It has red chilies in it, and it looks like some kind of peas. Okay, so I'm gonna take the fish, and it looks extremely spicy. It looks so spicy. Hopefully it's not too spicy. And like always, Indonesian fish, it comes with the head. And then this is salted egg pepes. I'm just gonna grab a spoon. And we have some ayam, Sundanese style. Okay, so here's tempe mindoman. And then like always, we have sambal that looks spicy. Whoa. And then we also have some fresh cucumber slices. So, selamat makan. I'm just gonna mix everything together, dip it in this rice. Oh, right as I bite down, I have that nice crunch from the little fish. I have the nice crispiness from the tempeh, and then the pepes is just unbelievable tasty. I've never had anything like it, and it looks like there's salted egg in here, so it's a little bit also too, of course, salty. It's very different and unusual. I have never eaten anything like this. Very good, but I gotta get some rice to go with it. And the nasi liwet, it's very flavorful. It has a herbal flavor to it. Just very good. Let me try some of the chicken. And the chicken just peeled off really nice, and it's very tender. And then I'm gonna mix some vegetables in here and dip it in some sambal first. It's gonna give it a nice spice. Take a big handful and mix it with my rice. The sambal is actually not that spicy. It's very good. The rice balances out the spiciness, so the sambal's not overpowering spicy. And then the chicken is so flavorful. It's very rich in taste. Very good. I really love all the different textures of all the Sundanese food mixed with the nasi liwet. It is so tasty and delicious. Everything just complements each other. And as I know, It's one of the most popular types of food here in Indonesia. And I know why now. Can't stop eating it, guys. Dip it in some sambal. Can y'all believe I'm eating sambal like this? Saya orang gila makan sambal. Wow, the cucumber is good with sambal. Wow, I finished everything. I had a food fest here and everything was so tasty and delicious. Now, I'll wash my hands. Until next time, I'll see you on my next food culinary adventure, and keep living, keep exploring, and keep eating. Bye!